DHgate Affiliate Program Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the DHgate Affiliate Program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to DHgate.com. Or you can simply click the link on the description below. And you will be directed on this page in which it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know DHgate, it is a popular online e-commerce platform that connects buyers and sellers, primarily focusing on facilitating international trade, in which it is based in China and is known for its extensive range of products, particularly in the realm of wholesale and B2B or business-to-business transactions. However, on this video, we're not going to buy a products that is offered on the DHgate platform, but we're here to use this platform to earn money by joining to their affiliate program. And from this page, in order to join to their affiliate program, all you need to do is to go to the footer section of this website. And below here, it will show you a lot of details that you could also navigate. And under the partnership, just proceed by clicking the affiliate program, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, it will show you the overview about the affiliate program of DHgate. And it says here that DHgate affiliate program is a platform for everyone, including agency, individual advertiser, marketing company, blogger, social influencer, as long as you have the way to spread and you have the chance to earn unlimited commissions and bonuses. And also, if you scroll down below here, you will see other details about the affiliate program of DHgate. And here are the step-by-step process, which is the first step is to register on DHgate affiliate program, followed by the step 2, which is to get affiliate link and promote. And after that, the next step, which is the step 3, is that when the customers or your referrals place an order, you will be able to get a commission, which is the step 4, the commissions rolling in. And now that we know the step-by-step process on how to join to the DHgate affiliate program, let's go now to the first step, which is to sign in to this affiliate program. So just click this join free button on the top right corner or the sign in button. And you will be directed on this page, in which from here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information, such as your email or your password. Or you could also sign in using your Facebook or Google account below here. So I'm going to choose to sign in using my Google account, so kind of click on it. And after that, it will show you a pop-up window. And the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter your email address and proceed by clicking the connect button below. And after that, from here, just click enter workspace button, in which upon doing so, you will be able to be directed in here. And it says here that the next thing that you need to do is to activate to be an affiliate. So just click this button below, activate free. And you will be directed on this page. And from here, it will show you a pop-up window. And all you need to do is to simply enter or fill out all of the required information, such as under your media, you're required to enter your channel type, the number of your followers, the title, the URL, the contact, and even to input or enter a tags. And after filling out all of the required information, just click the save button below. And now, from here, it will show you the homepage of the DHgate affiliate program. And from here, you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you could also navigate, including the home, products, all products, featured products, sample products, campaigns, and many more. And now, under the homepage, to see your referral program link, just proceed by clicking the referral program button on the top panel, and from here, it will show you the referral link or your invitation link that you could also copy and directly send it to your friends to simply invite them to join to DHgate.com. And after that, every time your friends make a successful promotion, you could also earn a referral commission from the order. And below here, it will show you the other details, including the sub-publisher, the referral orders, and also the info. And as you can see, the commission rate or the referral commission rate is 30%. And aside from that, you could also navigate the other options on the left side panel, including this homepage. in which below here, it will show you on the right side panel the dashboard, in which you could also track here your estimated commission, the sales amount, and also the orders, in which from here you can track your sales for the past months, weeks, or even days. And also below, it will show you other details of products that are hot sale or bestseller today. While under the products, by simply clicking all products, it will show you on the right side panel some of the products that you could also get link or also promote in order to earn more money from a commission. And as you can see, it will show you a commission rate that you could also possibly get once your friends or your referral already place an order for a specific item. So for instance, this bag right here. So can you click Get Link button, and upon doing so, you will be directed on this page. And from here, under the tracking info, you could also simply select the media and the tracking source. And below, you could also select or choose short link, DH text, or long link. And after that, just proceed by clicking the Generate button below. And after that, from here, it will show you the link that you could also copy for that specific item or products, in which when your referral try to click this link, they will be directed on this page, in which from here, they will be able to see the details of this product, and also by simply clicking the link from here, they will also be able to purchase this product. And once they place an order, you will be able to get the commission. And aside from that, from this page, your customers will also be able to see the other details of this product, including the shipping details, and also the review or feedback from other customers. Now going back to this page again, from here you could also choose other kind of products that you could also promote or copy the link of it in order to get a commission or earn money. And you will also be able to see here on the left side panel the featured products, sample products, the pre-shipping products, Brazil products, and Africa products. So there's a variety of category that you could also choose a products in order to earn money on this DHgate affiliate program. And aside from that, you could also navigate here the campaigns section on the left side panel, in which from here, it will allow you as an affiliate to create and manage your own campaigns to promote DHgate products. And also, you can create campaigns for specific products or categories and track the performance of each campaign to optimize their marketing efforts. So you could also choose here some other products that you want to promote. And aside from that, you could also navigate the link customizer, in which by simply clicking on it, you will be able to create affiliate links for specific products you want to promote. And aside from that, you could also navigate here the affiliate center, the account, in which from here, you will also be able to see your account info, the transaction record, your account balances that you could also withdraw by simply clicking this withdraw button right here. You will be able to withdraw the commission that you earn on this platform. And aside from that, on the left side panel, you could also navigate the data report, orders and application, media and tracking, and also a guide option. So that is just basically how you can join the DHgate affiliate program. Thank you.